Finding the absolute lowest rates can be time-consuming, frustrating, and exhausting. Who really has the time or patience that's required to effectively search, compare, and track rates across hundreds of online sites? What if there was a powerful new technology that took all the time and hassle out of finding the lowest rates on loans, cards, insurance, and more? Say hello to HelloRates. HelloRates is the fastest, most powerful solution in the market and makes finding the lowest rates a breeze. With HelloRates, you can harness the power of our world-class AI rate engine technology to do all the heavy lifting for you. Time is money, and HelloRates will save you both. HelloRates gives you unlimited access to over 75 programs that are fully optimized for the lowest rates and the highest chance of approval. The process is super simple and takes just 60 seconds. And best of all, the soft credit pull technology won't harm or affect your credit in any way. Don't worry, HelloRates uses the highest level of data encryption and security so that your personal information is always safe. Simply start the process by telling us a little bit about yourself, and the AI rate engine will take it from there. Most consumers will be presented with one or more offers in each category that they're searching. Choose the offer that best fits your needs and follow the simple prompts to finalize the process. It doesn't get any easier than that. Join thousands of consumers who have said hello to lower rates, terms, and payments. Get started today at HelloRates.com.